Hello, and welcome to Vinchin. In this video, you will learn how to migrate VM from VMware to H3C in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. VM migration in Vinchin Backup and Recovery is realized by restoring the VM backup on another virtualized platform, so a VMware VM backup is needed at first. Here I have created a VMware VM backup, and am going to restore it on a H3C host. Go to Restore. Just select this VM backup. Here select the specific H3C host, and you can simply configure the new VM here, such as VM name, CPU, memory, virtual disk, and virtual network. Select Strategies or directly click Next. Submit the job. Now the restore job begins. Now it's finished. Let's check the new VM in CAS Cloud Virtualization Management. It has been restored to the H3C host, and let's try to log in to the VM. It's working. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.